Do you want to be more engaging with your viewers when you're doing videos? If that's you, today's video is going to help you because we're going to get right into how you can boost engagement with all your videos moving forward. So stay tuned. Often clients ask me, how do I increase my engagement with the videos? Well, I'll tell you the biggest trap that comes up. This is going to be a quick video today. What it is people look at the camera, they look at the lens, and they think of the hundreds, the thousands, the tens of thousands, the hundreds of thousands of viewers that possibly are going to watch their video. And what happens is they get overwhelmed and they start thinking, who's watching this? How do I talk to all of them? And they start thinking of all the different clients, the personalities, and you get lost. So what you need to do is you need to shut all that noise out and instead focus on one person, okay? Imagine your ideal client and speak to them. That's it. Imagine that you're communicating with your ideal client. That camera, it's going to be either a tremendous source of fear, okay? It's going to be a source of fear, it's going to be a source of judgment. It can bring up a lot of resistance. Or you can imagine and view it as a portal to your ideal client's brains, okay? You're just getting right there. You're talking directly to their mind. You're talking directly to your ideal client. You're getting in their head where it's like, hey, I'm speaking to you. I want you to win. I'm here to help you win. These are tips that are going to get you there. Again, it's all on the context. So how you boost engagement is you imagine that you're speaking to one person. That one person is your ideal client. Now, fear that comes up is rejection. What if people don't like it? What if they reject me? What if there's negative comments? Again, you're imagining that you're speaking to your ideal client who is excited for you, that has been waiting for you to put your message out on video because they're sitting there struggling. Okay, they're struggling in their world and they're saying, oh, I wish somebody was out there to help me. That is you. That is your possibility. That is your obligation. Look, if you are a heart-centered entrepreneur, why are you on this planet? You're here to help people. How you help people is you get their message out there. So that's the thing. Imagine that you're speaking to this ideal client who is waiting for you to show up and speak to them in a way that's going to boost their confidence, boost their abilities, really solve that problem that they're facing. When you do that, that's going to lead to more engagement because you're speaking to one person. Okay, so never mind all these people that you think that are going to watch it, and hopefully they will, but to truly engage with it, you got to change your relationship with that camera. That is a portal to connect with your ideal client. And when you focus on that, that's going to allow you to be more engaging with your videos, also to be more at ease, more conversational. Also, everything's going to build from that. So really start with that place. That the video, the camera, it's a portal to connect with your ideal clients. Your ideal clients is waiting for you, and this is the journey that's going to get them in. Okay, you're selling, you're sharing tips, you're sharing techniques, you're sharing stories that are going to say, hey, yep, that sounds good. I want to come in with this and work with you. So again, how do you boost engagement with video is instead of being, treating the camera as an inanimate object and think of all the hundreds, thousands of people that are going to be watching it, focus it to, hey, that camera, it's actually your friend. It's a tool for you to engage and connect, and your ideal client is waiting for you, and you're speaking to them. So if that's you, and you're like, hey, I resonate with you, Lucas. I want to work with you. I want to become confident on video. Go to levelupliving.com, and we have programs designed specifically to help you achieve your goals. So with that, have a good day. Speak your truth.